Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about what to do when an iPhone won't restore in recovery mode. When you have problems with the iPhone, the restore option of recovery mode always comes in handy. Recently, many users have complained that they can't restore iPhone in recovery mode. Some errors happen when putting an iPhone into recovery mode and try doing a restore. Maybe iTunes can't find or detect your iPhone that's in recovery mode without showing the restore option. Perhaps iTunes shows you an error message telling you that the iPhone can't be restored and an unknown error occurred. Or, the iPhone stuck in recovery mode and won't restore because it won't stay in recovery mode long enough to restore, or no movement in the progress bar of the restore process for a long time. What causes an iPhone stuck in recovery mode won't restore? Many reasons need to be taken into account. Here are the common factors contributing to iPhone restore problems in recovery mode. USB connection goes wrong. There's an issue with iTunes or Finder, like outdated firmware. iPhone system error interferes with the restore process in recovery mode. The computer itself leads to iPhone not restoring in recovery mode. A hardware failure exists on your device. Now, follow me to try the troubleshooting ways of how to fix an iPhone that won't restore in recovery mode. Don't worry if you're a novice of digital devices or a new iPhone user. We'll introduce all the methods step by step. You can use them to save all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 17. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. The correct way to restore an iPhone in recovery mode. Here are the steps that follow. Install and open Apple devices, iTunes, Finder on your computer. Use an Apple-certified USB cable to connect your iPhone to a computer. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and later models, press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down button and the side button simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 6s and earlier models, press and hold the home button and the side, or top, button simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, keep your phone connected to turn to the computer. Apple devices, iTunes, Finder will detect it and prompt you to update or restore your device. Click the Restore option and finish the following instructions that are left until the restore process begins. If your iPhone leaves recovery mode during the process, just repeat the steps above to enter the recovery mode again. The restore process will continue. This also affects to attempt when your iPhone isn't restoring in recovery mode, due to that it won't stay in recovery mode long enough to restore. Then, all that's left to is to wait for the restore process to complete. Switch another USB cable. This is a simple trick. Make sure that the USB cable is working properly. Also, clean up the charging port if you find some dirt or dust there. Next, try using the cable to charge or connect other devices to see if it works. If not, you better switch another USB cable that's certified by Apple. Then, try restoring an iPhone in recovery again and see if the restoration process goes well. Make sure to use the latest version of iTunes, Finder, or Apple Devices app. No matter which application you're using to restore an iPhone that's in recovery mode, using outdated versions of the program can cause problems. So, update the program to its latest system version for a seamless restoration process. If it's latest, try using different program and try again. For example, if iTunes won't restore iPhone in recovery mode, you can download the Apple Devices app or use Finder to restore the iPhone in recovery mode. Force restart iPhone and try again. If your iPhone still gets stuck in recovery mode and cannot perform the restoration, maybe the device itself is malfunctioning. For example, it has a system glitch. To remedy this, try doing a forced restart. It helps get your iPhone out of recovery mode first and refresh the system without data loss. Here are the steps that follow to restart an iPhone getting stuck in recovery mode won't restore. In an iPhone 8, iPhone 10, or later iPhone models, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. In an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, do this to force restart your device. Press and hold both the volume down button and side button. Continue holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo. In an iPhone 6s or older iPhone models, do this to force restart your device. Press and hold both the home button and the sleep or wake button. Continue holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo. After your iPhone boots up, enter the recovery mode again and then restore your phone using a computer with iTunes, Apple devices app or Finder. Try another computer. In some cases, the computer might be at fault when an iPhone gets stuck in recovery mode and won't restore. Maybe the driver fails to detect your phone, or its system crashes and is unable to restore your iPhone in recovery mode. To remedy this, switch to another computer and try again. For example, if an iPhone in recovery mode won't restore in a Windows PC, find a Mac to try. Try to restore an iPhone using iCloud. Aside from putting an iPhone into recovery mode to restore the device, it's also workable using iCloud's Find My feature to do the same thing. If you still can't fix an iPhone stuck in recovery mode won't restore, consider using iCloud. Here are the steps that follow. Open a browser you often use and head to iCloud.com. Enter Apple ID and password to sign in. Make sure to use the Apple ID that's linked to your iPhone. Once logged in, find and select the Find iPhone option. Sometimes it's also called Find My. Choose the name of the iPhone you want to restore. Then, choose Erase this device. It'll prompt you if you really want to restore the device and erase everything. Just confirm and it'll trigger the erase process. Go to the official repair store. When an iPhone won't restore in recovery mode, one more choice is to do a restore in DFU mode. It's not an official method, so we recommend you to visit an Apple repair store to fix the problems if none of the solutions above work. And there you have it, folks. Hope the solutions in this video help fix iPhone not restoring in recovery mode. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting your iPhone back in working condition. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.